Fenwick and Ravi believe in solving customer problems and meeting the specific solutions for their needs. This is our testament of our 35-year-old legacy that we have, that we understand every single problem faced by a customer and we come up with specific solutions in solving them. We do not believe in selling a standard products off the shelf and forgetting about the customer. We handhold them to use the product for its entire lifetime, and we support products which are even 15-year-old in the market with necessary service and support. So coming to Machine Maker, we are proud and happy to be associated with them for the first time, and they have a great effort being done with the Manufacturing Maestros event, which is done across various parts of India. So the second one is happening in Coimbatore on the 30th of May. And Coimbatore is a big market with Indian machine tools, with a lot of valve industry, away from the general auto components. So a lot of very good engineering companies are there, very old companies are there in Coimbatore, which is a very important market. So I request all our dear customers from the area of Coimbatore to be part of the Manufacturing Maestros Coimbatore chapter on 30th of May.